What do we got ourselves into? Ugh. Okay, so basically, I'm going to be replacing my H.I.D ballasts because this side flickers and it's probably not the ballast, but we're gonna try it anyways. So hard to do this shit one-handed. Be right back. Okay, so got the old ballast here. These are the ballasts that came with my H.I.D bulbs. But I'm gonna switch them out to these ones because these ones are also brand new. And I believe these will stop the flickering. So I got that smart CAN bus thing on there, which it's probably not going to fix any of it. That was close. Alright, let's drop this fucking thing. But it's probably not going to fix it, so whatever, it's worth a try. I have them, they're brand new. I was going to put them in my RSX, these ballasts, but I never got around to it because that car got crunched. So, let's go ahead and put them in. I could probably make a mount for them somewhere in here, but just for the sake of fast, I'm just going to shove it down in there. It should be fine. Alright, it's very hard to fuck this part up because there's like one of each. So you got your male connector, your female connector. That comes off the ballast. You got your female connector and your male connector that comes off of the bulb. Where the fuck did those just go? So, I mean, pretty stupid if you fuck this up. Not gonna lie, because it's common sense. I'm not sure what the fuck's on the radio, but I'm probably gonna get demonetized for that, so that's okay. But, yeah. It's very difficult doing this stuff one-handed. Fuck's sakes. Sorry. I'm trying to focus really hard on actually plugging in the ballast to the bulb correctly. Okay, so that's done. Now, this guy, I'm gonna try and clean this up a little bit too. This guy, I just have two connectors on the end of this, two like spade connectors, and they plug in here to keep the water out. All I did was this electrical tape dip, put dielectric grease in there, so there should be no issues of wetness. This guy, make sure it goes here, just like that. Done. Shove all of our wires in here very unneatly, as if we're children and your parents tell you to clean up the floor because there's a mess and you kind of just half-ass sweep it under the couch. That's what we're gonna do here at the ballast. So anyways, let's just go ahead and shove this in. And make sure you're lined up over here. Make sure I'm lined up on this side, and then boom, in. Done deal. So, slide this back in place. Take your dowels. Wow. Slide them in. This is going to be a bit of a tough part if your truck is old and there's a lot of rust buildup, and these have never really been out. Some of you might run into the issue of it getting down about to here, and it just sits there and spins. It doesn't go back and forth. You just gotta wiggle this and move it around and shit. But anyways, okay, done. Oh yeah, bud. Perfect. That's the old ballast on this side. Not gonna do a huge difference at all, really, but I didn't see any flickering, so that's good. One thing I did fuck up on, I have LEDs. I'm gonna put my side markers here. They're just little clean-out LEDs. And me being a fucking dumbass, I literally just had this headlight all apart. Had that out because I was gonna do it, and I forgot. Anyways, let's do this side. This side gives me trouble sometimes because my dowel pin is a little bit bent. I don't know if you can see that. But, okay, so this comes out. Ballast doesn't want to come out. So again, we're gonna pop out that little tab right there. Just gonna pull this monstrosity out. Okay. You're gonna come out now? No, you're not. Surprised I don't have more issues with my ballasts and all the snow and salt because of where they sit. They literally just dangle somewhere down in there. And as you can see the ground pretty well. So they're pretty exposed to the elements, but oh well. Fuck it. Might have to leave you guys for a second again. You guys already seen me put that one in, so I'm not gonna show you how to do this one. Actually, no, I will. Just to double check that you guys are actually gonna learn something from this. So this actually, you can see it's got a positive and a negative. Now, positive is usually red or blue, and then black is obviously negative. And it only goes in one way because you can see little clip. It's gonna get fucking demonetized, man. I swear to God, but this is an old tune actually. So anyways, I forgot to film an outro for this video, but yeah. The rest of it went pretty smooth, no issues, and obviously, you can see, hold on, yeah, can't really see it, but no more flickering, thank goodness. But yeah, so, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you liked it, hit the like button. If you're interested in seeing how this channel progresses, what I get my hands on, what I get into with this truck and other vehicles and whatever, hit the subscribe button and then hit the little bell notification so you get updated every time I post. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you guys soon again. Probably not tomorrow. I got some running around to do tomorrow. But yeah, leave in the comments what you guys want to see, and I'll do my best to provide. So anyways, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys later.